Hi everyone, or as we say in Taiwanese, 食饱未? My name is Eddy Tseng. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you very popular dish, sweet sour pork. The key ingredient of course is the pork. You can use any part of pork, but remember, do not use any skin of the pork. Today I got here is the pork shoulder. I like a pork shoulder because as you can see, this is a lot of the marbling fat. That is the main flavor. But the other hand is this connecting tissue. After you cook, it makes you so tough. So now I'm gonna show my first tip today is how to tenderize the pork shoulder. Just take your knife. You see the water knife. You can use your knife tip to kick into the pork like this. Okay, let me show you. Hold the tight of your knife like this. Okay, just almost like breaking down, but actually you can see it's still rolling together. Okay, then you can turn it other around, upside down. You turn it upside down and do it again, the same thing again. This one can be help the tenderize after the cooking. Okay, just like that. Okay, after we tenderize, now I'm going to cut our pork into the little square block. Okay, like this. Let me show you first. Just chop that into the long straight, and now let me show you this way. That is about the size 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter square block like this. Okay, about the bite-sized pieces. All right. Bring all the pork meat into the bowl. To marinate is so simple. Just 2 ingredients: soy sauce, sugar. That's all. Now let's put the sugar in. Okay, no need much. And let's go into our soy sauce. That's enough. Good. Okay, and this time just give the good stir. At this stage, there is a lot of people start adding the egg and the starch. But for me, if you adding the starch will start to absorb the flavor. But this is what we don't want. We want the flavor go into the meat. So we just let this our pork keep in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna show you how to mix the sweet sour sauce. I call my sweet sour recipe a full house because it's 3 and 2. 3 parts: soy sauce, tomato sauce, which you can call ketchup, and vinegar. This is 3. So these 3 also 3. What I mean? 3 spoons. Simple. Okay, this is 3. Alright, 3 parts. Now there's 1 spoon, 2 spoon, and these 3 spoons. Okay, there's tomato. Next, our soy sauce. Okay, there's 1. And there's 2, and there is 3. Now going to our vinegar. There's our vinegar, also 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 3. Now let's go to the 2. What is the 2? It's the sugar and the water, or 2. The sugar, you can see 1 and 2. Then we get ready our water, also 2. You see 1, and this is 2. Okay, that is the full house. Okay, everybody in the pool. Now, what we need to do is just give a little stir. Okay, the sauce is ready. Now I'm gonna show you the vegetable what I got today. Okay, here is the ground ginger and some chopped garlic. I have the onion, red pepper, green pepper, coriander, and some green onion. We call it spring onion. And I got a tin of the pineapple. And here I got some juice from the pineapple. I will show you a little tip later on. Now I got my pork marinade ready. Okay, now is the time to add the egg and the cornstarch. This time I got the egg, but I don't need to use whole egg. I just need a little part of egg. Get a little stir. Probably just half egg should be enough for this quantity. Just pour in. Okay, that's good. Then just give a little mix. The egg. And ready, get our cornstarch. That is the time for the cornstarch. Okay, like that. Okay, let me see. This is good amount. Now you can just little mix like that. You kind of want to make sure every single piece is dressing up the cornstarch. So in this stage we use quite a large amount of the cornstarch. Let me pick up one, show you what is a good one. Okay, can you see like that? Okay, this is good. All right, now my oil is ready. Now let's go get started to fry our pork. Okay, now we use the medium heat. Just kind of chop in like this. Okay. If you got a small pot, you can fry your pork in separate time. You do not fry too much large amount of the pork in the oil. Otherwise, the pork won't be cooked evenly. Yeah, one is good. Yeah, this will take about 2 minutes to get it cooked. Okay. All right, this is about ready in 2 minutes. Okay, let's take all just in here for standby. Okay, that is all good. Okay, while the time, then we prepare ourselves. Prepare myself another pot and heat our pot. Okay, in this time, just grab my vegetable. While waiting our wok ready to heat up, all right, get yourself everything is ready standby as you can see here. So then we will start very quick process. Now the wok is hot. Let's start to pour our oil in. Just give a stir. Okay, in this stage, turn to our onion in, spring onion in, ground ginger in, garlic in. Okay, just quick get a bit of stir like this. Okay, if you don't use chopped, you can use spatula. It's no problem. Also working. Once all is fragrant, if you do it at home, you start smell coming out. Now it's time for our pepper all in. Okay, get a little stir. Keep stir. All right, that is good. Okay, now it's time for our pork in. Right, after pork in, now is our sauce must also in. In quickly. Yeah, I can hear the sound properly. It sounds beautiful for me. Yeah, let's go. After that, last, okay, this is the pineapple in. And the little tip, remember I just saved the pineapple juice. You can just give the last a few drops of the pineapple juice. Then it will give you a little kick of the more strong pineapple flavor. That is done. All right, that we got. Now switch off the heat. We start to serve our sweet and sour. All right, here we go. Who doesn't like it? Okay, there is the sweet and sour. All right, as you can see, beautiful. How beautiful color is. Look there. Who doesn't like sweet and sour? All right, now here we go. Let's get a final touch. Look, you can just garnish with some coriander on the top. That is my sweet and sour pork. It's so delicious, all-time favorite. Yeah, and also easy to make at home. For more detailed recipe instruction, please check out our website by following link below. If you enjoy the show, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Well, we'll see you next time on Eddy's Kitchen.